kind of like a beat up package that I have from Macys, and somewhat to open too. Let's see what's inside. Hi, how are you doing today? Today we do have a big package. What? Oh my gosh. Let me take a picture on this one first before anything else. So, here's the package that we have. This is from Macys, and it's beat up, so excuse the mess. But this one is really nice. It's even open. My goodness, their presentation nowadays is kind of like shit. But anyways, it's the day 8 for our Christmas unboxing, for our 12 days of Christmas unboxing here with yours truly, Carlo and Seb channel. Let me breathe a little bit. That was kind of like too much. I'm bringing down upstairs, from downstairs to upstairs, and then now here. This one is a really great idea, gift idea to your auntie, uncle, to your co-workers, for housewarming gift and stuff like that. And you cannot beat the price. The price was just $25. So it was $75, and then I bought it for $25. So this one is gonna be for the facilities that I have, that we're going to partake into giving staff what's that one called, Christmas gift type of thing. So this is gonna be the share that I will have there, or my company for that. And Sophie is excited to open it. So this is the gift that we will have. There's 4 things in here of the same thing, and then we will check it out. And it is the ta-da! It's the Bella 2-quart air fryer. Oh, that's so cool! I'm kind of like thinking that the boxes are beaten up, but not really. So I'm going to send. It's the same thing. So there's 4 here. Where I'm going to send like 2 to one facility, and then another 2 to the other facility that I have, because we promised the administrators that we're going to give them this ones. So this one is only $25 or $24.99 because it was on sale during the Black Friday sale. So yeah, so this one is she cannot even wait to go inside. There you go. She has a new house, right? Anyway, it's a Bella product that it says here that serves 2 to 3 people. 75% less fat, high performance, circular technology, heating technology, and then the color is licorice. I think all the colors that I got was black, because it's kind of like easy. Hi, how are you? You wanna be famous, huh? And then there's another 2. So it's all black. Yeah, it's all black. So yeah. Anyway, I will show you the real price of it, and then the price for the Black Friday sale that I got. I should have gotten 4 more because I have like 20 facilities anyways. Not only the not all the 20 facilities are asking for gifts, but This is a really nice gift that you could give to your people. It's really nice, small but powerful. It says there, and then we love our air fryer. We use it a lot. Less mess in the kitchen, especially if you're frying things and stuff like that. Um, we really love it. We really use it every day to heating up food and stuff like that. So I know for a fact that whoever's gonna get this one will use this one accordingly. So yeah, hopefully you love this gift giving guides, and then the sales that we took advantage of, and then yeah, so because it should not break the bank, right? The gifts that you're going to give to your people should not break the bank. For $25, supposedly $75, but I'm that cheap anyways. So, and there you go. And then now, this is the gift that we will have. Ta-da! Anyway, thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo from Carlo and Seb channel. I will see you again in the next video. Bye. We love you all. Comment below, subscribe, and sharing is caring. So share this one to your peeps. To your peeps, right? Like I'm kind of like talking to on the street. But anyways, thank you, and happy holidays, Merry Christmas, happy Kwanzaa or whatever you call that, and maligayang Pasko. That's how you say it in Tagalog, anyways. So yeah, I hope that this year is merrier than the last year, and it's going to be merrier the succeeding ones that you will have. We'll see you again in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye. There's another one here. Bye.